Ang sarap mag-samgyup ng hindi nagmamadali. Fresh ang mga meat at pwede pang i-take out. Hello mga best! Let's eat Korean food at Soban K-Town Grill. They offer barbecue grill sets good for 2 people and pwede ding pang groups. Order Mega Meat Barbecue Set for 2. 660 grams of fresh meat. May Woo Samgyup na USDA choice beef. Fresh pork samgyup sal or dak galbi na chicken. And also choose yung marinated na pork. We tried pepper garlic and gochujang. You can add cheese for only 30 pesos each. 2 only rice, only soup, 6 only sides. May kimchi, egg roll, toge kimchi style, salad, peanuts with dilis, and mashed potato. We love the grilled meats and ang sarap talaga kapag hindi nagmamadali. No time limit and you can take home yung excess cooked meat. Syempre, except yung mga only na sides. My favorites were the beef, pepper garlic, and gochujang na pork belly. Then wrap with lettuce or perilla leaves. Grabe, super yummy. The set also comes with 2 iced tea and 2 single-serve desserts. We also ordered rosé tteokbokki, super creamy and napaka-legit ng lasa. Must order din itong kimchi fried rice. Okay na okay ang ambience at ang service very attentive ng mga staff. All in all, super nag-enjoy kami for our Korean barbecue lunch. So mga best, if you want to enjoy a chill and yummy barbecue grill experience, make sure to dine in here at Soban K-Town Grill. Tara, let's eat!